Hello. Today we're gonna try a UV skull. All you'll need is UV white and black makeup paint. Okay, so I use Cheek Effects by Kind of Magic, and I love this product. But you can use any other product. I'm chasing the sun. This is so nice to be in the sun. So we'll get the UV white, and it's water based. So I just gotta get it like really mush, and so it like goes onto the brush. And I might have to do a few layers, but we'll start. There's a really good consistency. It's coming. We don't want it to be too watery, because then it will run away. We want it to be like nice and mushy like this, if you can tell, like mush. Application, begin. And remember to always add more water. And we don't really need to go around the eyes, because we're gonna do like black there. A little bit into hair if you so desire to glow everywhere. Now I'm gonna let it dry and do another layer for like a stronger results. It dries really fast. I would suggest when you do a layer, don't go over it until it's like dry. So I'm just gonna leave that area and continue, because you don't want it to lift. Now that you have all the layers and it's pretty dry, you can start with black. Take a smaller brush, and you want to do the same thing. Get a little paint on it, but not too watery, because you don't want it to run, and especially now. I'm going to fill out area all the way to my eyebrow, maybe even above my eyebrow. Eyebrows are always on the way. And then under, and the little nose and the teeth. For the nose and under eyes, I'll take a smaller brush. I personally like a little nose like this, and then I'll leave like a little space in between. I will use an even smaller brush to do the teeth and some other details. I want to just show you the basic idea, and you can always get more creative after. For the teeth, we're gonna go like this, and then this was like a light sketch. Now I will enhance it. Use your pinky on a dry, like this is already dry, right? So use your pinky to help you. Make sure your pinky is clean. And this is, again, I did like a kind of quick sketch. Now I can enhance it. We can add like a little line right here, like this, say, because that would be like a part of the skull, but you don't have to do that. However, I encourage you to get into it. Blend it out a little bit over here, like so, just so I can get, you see? So what I did is like I made the brush a little bit wet, and now I'm smooshing it out. Another way to add shadows is, of course, the dry eyeshadow. And just get, you do something like, if you black out your ears, it would look pretty cool. But if you're wearing like a wig or something, that's also awesome. But depends for how far you want to go, because ears are pretty hard to clean out. Now, some skull designs have teeth going all the way. Again, it's up to you. I like just a little bit of teeth. So if you want to be angry, then you'll just add like eyebrows going from here and up here to add a little like a flare, little eyelashes and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna do that. I know skull doesn't have eyelashes, but I just like it that way. It's good to go like from here and under, and then you connect this line. Once you get to here, you're good to go. But from here you could also create a sugar skull. You could add flower here or a crown. I'm not gonna do it today, maybe another time. But also, like, I thought a really cool little detail is to have a little bit like crack going from here to here. So again, I'm gonna use my pinky to try and help me. Finally, just add a little bit to the teeth, so I'm just gonna get a small brush, polish the teeth a little bit, and then you'll just press it like that. I realized that I didn't really need this, so I'm gonna block this out and shape it like this, and then block it out a bit more. Ah, yes, there's also, I want to do something extra with the eyelash. Just gonna get the UV paint, add it to my real lashes like this. All right, let's see what it looks like in UV. Oh, I'm not a cat. I want to just show you how to make the angry, and also I want to show you how bigger nose will also look different. Bigger nose would cover this area and go like this. You don't have to be perfect, you can just, you can add more cheese. I also used to love, sure. And here comes the eyebrows, you go like this. See the difference? And I'm not angry. It's about the arc, that's why I'm raising this area. And if you wanted the crown, I got carried away. But yeah, so that's where the crown would go. Okay, sometimes I have a hard time to stop. But yeah, there we go. Something like that. You can add more shadows everywhere. See the difference? That's pretty cool. Okay, that's enough.